How to fix S Pen is not connecting on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search gallery from here. Click on photos. After click on photos, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click backup and reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. Go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, click on photos app, scroll down and click on albums. Click on recently deleted. So after check recycle bin, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix S Pen is not connecting on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.